how to run this tutorial from the scratch in your machine. Let's see this quick start. Download DJG10 Django project from my GitHub. You can go to my GitHub and download this project right here. And now on your desktop, create a new directory and name it tutorial 11, this one. And inside this, paste the previous Django project file. I already did this right here. This is the previous file. Okay, now let's go to the VS Code terminal and prepare the command prompt. Here is the first. Let's point the folder, open folder, to this tutorial right here. Fine. Let's point is to the Django project. Fine. Let's dismiss this get started page. Right now, when we see this message, okay, Python interpret is selected. Yes, select Python interpret right here. This is the Python that I will use, recommended by VS Code. Fine. Now let's prepare the terminal right here. You see, you click this button right here, go to the terminal and click here and choose command prompt and dismiss the PowerShell terminal, and there you have it. Now we are ready to continue. Let's go to the tutorial. Now run this quick script. Just copy and paste inside your terminal and hit enter and wait until pillow is up and running. Let's copy these, Control C, go to the VS terminal, click here and hit enter and wait for all the installation. Yes to all model window. Okay, this is the installation of Django right here. Fine, Django is being installed on your machine. Let's wait till the end. Okay, Django 4.02 is installed. Now it is installing Django Crispy Form. Okay, successfully installed Django Crispy Form. Now the installation of the pillow and successfully installed pillow 9.0.1. Fine. And you see your terminal is now activated right here. Close. Let's clear this terminal and you are ready to go. Fine.